We're here at the One-to-One Mining Conference in London. Give us a brief background to the company.
Hi Rosie, thanks a lot for speaking to us. Orion is an ASX and JSE listed company. We're an explorer developer, and we've got a very valuable package in the Northern Cape of South Africa. And I think it's just been underscored today by a very big transaction, a very important transaction with us for Independence Group, who have bought in 11% stake at actually a 38% premium to yesterday's closing price. And I think that underscores the value of the assets that we have in the Northern Cape. This is probably one of the most underexplored and highly prospective base metal belts in the world at the moment. And Independence recognize that. They've been looking at it with us for the last couple of weeks and paying a lot of attention. And they recognize a lot of the features that they see in the Fraser Range in Western Australia. And also we've obviously got our main lead project is the Prieska zinc copper mine, which is probably going to be a slightly upscaled version of their Jaguar mine in Australia that's been so successful for them.
And on the back of this transaction, what's next? How will you use it going forward?
We're busy with a big resource drill out at the moment and busy with feasibility study work. Just over a month ago, we announced a resource that is now approaching 30 million tons of zinc copper. That's pretty high grade ore, that, and realistically, a person wants to extract that in a 10 to 15 year time frame. So we are looking at a feasibility on that scale. We've applied for mining rights, which we expect to be granted this time next year, and hopefully be breaking ground soon after that on the zinc copper mine. The nickel, copper, cobalt, platinum operation is actually on a granted mining rights. And it's very interesting that it had a feasibility study done on it in 2012. It's not a JORC compliant feasibility study. It was done in SAMREC code compliance. But we're busy converting that to JORC compliance and having a good look at it again in light of the new metal prices. Nickel and cobalt obviously having run pretty well. Suddenly those projects are looking very different in today's light.
So it's clear it's a busy time for you guys. You're here at One-to-One. What core messages are you looking to get across to investors today?
Well, yeah, in London is a very natural investor base for South African, in particular, mine development projects. The Australian market really understands exploration very well, and I guess hence the following from somebody like IGO. But London has a deeper understanding for the longer term investment cycle for development and mine construction in Africa, and particularly in South Africa. And we get a lot of interest out of the investor public over here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.